how to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you convert USDC to USDT on your Binance. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Binance with your account. Alright, so after you open the Binance app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your Binance icon just at the top left corner. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option more services. Alright, so from the services section, you'll have to go the option convert. So it will under the trade section. So simply tap on the option convert. Alright, so now from this convert section, you'll able to see such interface. So from this interface, on the section from, you'll have to choose the currency whom you want to convert. So on that drop down, you'll have to search for the USDC, and from there you'll have to select that, and on the other section you'll have to set it to USDT. So after you done this from here, you'll have to set the amount which you want to convert. So from here on the section USDC, you'll have to set a amount, and after then on the section 2, you'll be able to see the converted amount for the USDT. So after you complete this procedure from here, you'll have to just tap on this option preview conversation just at the bottom. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here you can confirm your order, and as usual you can review your order. So simply from here tap on deposit option. So after you tap on that option, you'll be able to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.